Hello friends, today we are going to see questions based on HCF LCM. So now we are going to start with the questions. So let's begin the questions. So here is a question. Find the least 4-digit number which when divided by 8, 12 and 15 leaves a remainder 2, 6 and 9. So divided by means what? LCM. So 8, 12 and 15 you have to find LCM of it. So the number that comes to my mind is 120 that can divide all those three. But I told you that this K constant or the remainder change. So you will minus this from this from this and this from this. Means 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 12 minus 6 equal to 6. So K value will be 6 and similarly 15 minus 9 equal to 6. You will subtract 6 from it means 114. So you will divide 114 is the number which when you divide by least means what? 4-digit number, least 4 digit is 1000. After you divide it, the last number that comes is 112. So 88 is remaining as remainder. So you know that this the least 4 digit they ask, right? So this was the last number that got subtracted by 114. So if you add 114 on 8, you will get 1026, and this will be the least or the least 4 digit number that can be divided by all this. Okay, and if you check whether this is right or not, so 1026 if you divide by 8, 22, 16, 66, 64, so 2 it's leaving as remainder, so our answer is correct. Similarly, if you do with other numbers, the same things will come. If you do with 12, so the number that comes is 96. So 6, 6, 60. So 6 is remaining. 6 will be remainder as it told by you. So you have to remember the concept of K for the this type of question. Okay, very simple question. Just you need to understand the concept, and once you understand the concept, once you revise, you have to revise it again and again. What are the conditions that they told you? Once you get to know about which condition they asked, it's become very simple to solve this question. Okay, so here is a question where we have to find a 4-digit number which is divided by this number and gives a remainder 3. Divided by means what? LCM. And gives a remainder 3 respectively. Okay, so each case they have to give remainder. So 12, 18, 21 and 28. You have to find a number. Let's divide it by common number 3. 3. We will not divide 21. So 5, 6, 28 is also there. So instead of 28, we have to think a number which divide all this number and gives 3 as a reminder. So after thinking what number that comes to your mind, 2 is not there, 4 is not there, 6, 3, 27, okay. They ask you LCM. So here you have to find LCM, not HCF. So LCM they ask you. So you can take 2 here. After doing this, you get 6, you get 9, you get 21, you get 14. LCM you can do till the time 111 won't come, right? That was our basic principle. So after solving the entire thing, what LCM we get? We get 552. Okay, 552 we get as a LCM. Means this is the lowest number that can divide all this. Okay, so after that you have to divide this 252 with lowest 4-digit number, that is this. After dividing this, the last number that can be divided is 657. Okay, 2. Okay, this is the last number that can be divided, right? This is the last number this which can be divided. So what is asked to you? They ask you find the least 4-digit number which can be divided. So this was what? This was the last number. So if you add this number to this, it will be the least 4-digit, right? Least 4-digit, because this is 3-digit. After you add 252, it will be the first 4-digit number, or the least 4-digit number. That will be this, right? And they ask you that it leaves a remainder 3. So for 3, what you will do? You just add 3 to it. So the answer will be 1011. So 1011 will be that number which, when divided by 12, 18, 21, and 28, leaves same remainder. You divide by 12, 96, 51, 48, 3, right? 18 also the same scene comes. You divide by 18, 90, 11, one more 11, 108, right? 3 also come in that case. So this how you need to do in this case. You have to remember the cases, right? Cases are very important in HCF and LCM. If you know the cases, which case we need to apply, so you can easily solve it. If you won't know, then it might trouble you. Okay, so it's all the game of cases. So here what we did, we find out LCM, then after that we find out, check the suitability with the lowest 4-digit number. We find out lowest 4-digit number. After that they told remainder 3. So for remainder 3 we just need to add 3 on it. So we got the answer. Okay, let's see the next question. So here they ask you the least 5-digit number which is exactly divisible by this. So divisible means LCM. LCM of 12, 15, and 20, that comes out to be 60. So least 5-digit is what? 10000. So dividing it by 60, 60 it's minus 40, 360, again 40. Okay, this one comes and one comes. Okay, this again comes 360, 40 is remainder. So 40, if you minus from the least 5-digit, what you get? You will get 4-digit number. So you cannot minus it, right? You cannot minus it. So after minusing it, what number you are getting? You are getting 9, 9, 6, 0, right? This was the last number that can be divided by what? 60. If we add 60 to it, this will be the least 5-digit, right? Least 5-digit that can be divided by this. So the answer is will be 10020. Very simple question. Okay, here you can see the question, that is, 4 bell first began to toll together, means first bell they were tolled together, and at the interval of 3, 5, 8, and 10 seconds, find how many times they will ring together in 4 minutes. Means these are the time interval. Okay, means after every 3 seconds one bell ring, after 5 seconds one bell ring, 8 one ring, and 10 one ring, and how many times they ring together. So you have to find a number at which this all can be divisible or they can ring together, right? It is a simple case of LCM. So you have to think a number that can divide all this. So 80, not 80, 60. 60 also. 120 is the number, I guess, that can divide all those. So 120 means after 120 second, means after 2 minutes, one time they ring together. So in 8 minutes, how many times they will ring? 8 minutes by 2. So this will equivalent to 4 times. 4 times they will ring together, and initially they ring together means what? Plus 1. So 5 times they ring together. 5 times they ring together in those 8 minutes. Okay, so this how you need to cover. Very easy way it is, just you need to understand the practical solution of it. LCM. Okay, this is the second type of question that is in for you people, that is 6 bell comers together and toll at an interval of 2, 4, this is the 5 bells, sorry, 6 bells, and respectively in 30 minutes. Okay, how many times they do rank together in 30 minutes, how many times they rank together. So after you do this, 120 will come as a common number, right, which can divide, means at 120 seconds, means after 2 minutes. Okay, they all ring together, together, all ring together. So in 2 minutes they are ringing one time. So in 30 minutes, how many times they will ring? 30 by 2, that is 15 times. Here no condition is given that initially they ran together. So 15 times is the answer. So 15 should be your answer. Okay. Here is the question: the least number which should be added to 2500 in order to get divisible by 3, 7, 8 and 12. Divisible means what? Divisible by means LCM. So if you take LCM of 3, 7, 8, 12, this comes out to be what? We'll take 2, 2 and this all. So after solving the entire thing, you get 168. So how you solve? After taking 2, what comes out to be 3, 7, 4, 6, again 2, 3, 7, 2, 3. Now you can take 3 common. So 1, 7, 2, 1, then 7. Till the time you won't get 1, 1, then 2. Okay. After multiplying the entire thing, 2 into 4, or 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 3, 12, 12 into 7, 84, 84 into 2, 168 will be the least common multiple. Okay. So you have to divide 168 by 2500. After dividing this, you will get a number which will give you the answer. This gives you 22, 32, 32 plus 82. 82 it will give you. Okay. So after doing this, 82, one more 0 will come. Have to separate. Then 168 into 4 comes out to be 672. 5. Let's check. 5 goes beyond. 6 is the right answer. 820 minus 672. 148 extra it is coming. Right. So if you separate 170, 148 to this, what do you get? You get the last number which was divisible by this. Okay, 168. So 2500 minus 148, you will get 2352. So 2352 was the last number that was divisible by 168. They ask you what should be added to 12500 number so that the next number will be divisible. So if you add 168, this will be the next number which is divisible, right? So this comes out to be 2520, right? 2520. So how much it is more than this number 20? So how much number you should add in this 2500 so that it can get divisible by 168? 20 is the answer. So this is how you need to solve it. So here is a question: find the greatest possible length that can measure exactly the length 36, 24 and 18. Simple question, they are directly asking you HCF. The greatest length that can measure this all three. So 36, 24 and 18, you can find out LCM, HCF. You can take common 9. Now you can take 3, right? Common, which is common to all three. After that, this comes out to be 6, 4, 3. Now further you cannot divide because nothing can become as common. You can do ahead by taking 1, 1, 1, but it is for LCM. To keep things 1, 1, 1 for LCM, but here you not need to do. For HCF, you just find out the common thing. So 2 into 3, that is 6. So 6 is the greatest length that can divide 36, 24 and 18. Okay. Thank you.